So here's how to fix NVIDIA GeForce Experience overlay not working or NVIDIA app overlay not working. First, what you want to do is right click on the start button and then go to installed apps. Now in this list, you want to search for GeForce Experience. Now if you do have the GeForce Experience, you should uninstall it because it's outdated, and you should download and install NVIDIA app. So you can find it if you open your browser and look for NVIDIA app, and it should take you to the download page where you can download it and install it. Now you can open the NVIDIA app, and to fix the overlay issue not working, you want to go to the settings, and in here make sure NVIDIA overlay is turned on. Now if it's already turned on, you want to disable it and then enable it again to try to load the overlay back. Now for the overlay to work in your specific game, you can check the game if it's supported. So you can click on view supported games and applications in here. Now in this web page, you can search for your game where you want to display the overlay. So for example, PUBG, as you can see in here, PUBG is supported. So if it's not in this list, it means that the game is not supported or the application is not supported. So to search for applications or games installed on your PC, you can click on Scan Now and wait for it to scan for programs and games automatically on your PC. Now, if the scan is completed, you can try to launch your game and open the overlay by pressing Alt+Z in the game. And if the scan cannot find your game, you can click on View and Modify and add a path where the game is installed. So for example, you can click on Add and navigate to the path or directory where your specific game is installed. For example, write games, click select folder, and it should add the folder to this list. Now you can close and click on Scan Now again to scan and find the game. Now, if you're still having an issue with the overlay, what you can do is close NVIDIA app completely and then run it again as administrator. Right click and run as admin, and then try to disable and enable the overlay checkbox in here, and it should load it back again, and that should generally solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.